sewed the two pieces of lines together. The butt joint sewed through so it can't come apart. Now I just feed it through and we'll have a new halyard. Time to change the pump on the head. The hoses don't want to come off because you used the wrong hose. Believe it or not, the rebuild kit for the pump cost almost the same as the entire new pump. So we put a new pump on. It was very difficult. There's no room to work in around that area. So it took at least 2 hours. Because of the virus making us so late in launching, and because of social distancing, meaning that I would have had to sail the boat by myself from Warwick to Westerly, we decided to have it trucked down to Westerly. So while launching, the rudder hit the bottom, bounced out, and started floating down the river. So I needed to get rid of my wallet and my keys and go in the water after it. So after recovering from the rudder debacle, we finally got the boat situated where I could start setting stuff up, and we could start down the river to go to our slip. We still needed to have the mast step. That would be a few more weeks of work on the boat before we got the mast stepped. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook.